Good morning, TK. For our math lesson today, we are going to be using our thinking bubbles, our head, our brain, to show how much we know about our shapes. So today we're going to roll out our objective. Say it with me. I can identify, sort. That means you can move shapes and put them in groups. Compare and position. That also means to move around. And we're going to move around our circles, triangle, squares, and rectangles. Let's say it with me. I can identify, sort, compare and position circles, triangle, squares, and rectangles. So we're going to move around our shapes. We're going to move around our circles, triangles, squares, and rectangles. You're going to need your talking buddy, and we're going to do two activities. One is just going to be a game with your talking buddy. You're going to need your bag with beans. You're going to need this placemat and this placemat and these shapes. And when you're ready, we're going to begin. All right, TK, for our first activity, you're going to need these shapes, the ones that are in your bag. So grab these, and you're going to need this bag right here, the one with beans on it. So let's grab both of them and also your talking buddy so we can play a game and show them about shapes. Let's begin. So for this part, we are just doing a practice. We are going to take out a shape. You pick the shape you want. I'm going to pick this one. And I'm going to talk to my buddy. So you talk to your buddy and tell them. So this is a triangle. And I'm going to use the beans to show how many points a triangle has. I have 1 point here, one corner here. I'm going to put one bean here. That's one corner. I see another corner here. That's 1, 2, and 3. So I have 3 corners there that I can show my buddy. I know this is a triangle because it has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 points, corners. They come here and they make a pointy part. I think I have enough beans to show my buddy another shape right next to it. This shape, let's see how many beans I need for this shape to find its corners. Okay, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners for my square. I also have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Maybe I can pretend my talking buddy is going to count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the square. And 1, 2, 3 for the triangle. Okay, I don't have any more beans, maybe just one more. So now I'm going to move my triangle away. Take away the beans and move it away. I'm going to now bring out my rectangle and practice. 1, do it with me, 2, 3, and 4. That is it. Now I'm going to bring out my circle. Okay, my circle is very round and curved, but do I see a point? Do I see any points? See, this is a point. Any sharp points? I don't see any. TK. Our circle is very different. It does not have any sides, or it has many, but it does not have corners. It is just curved and round. So practice putting beans and counting your sides and corners. So this is it for this first activity. This is just practice. Okay, in a few seconds, we're going to go over your big work for today. All right, TK, so here is our big activity, and I hope your parents are listening too. Your parents and you can work together to cut these shapes. You're going to cut these shapes, and then I'm going to tell you what to do. You're going to listen and do what I say. Understand? I will ask your parents to take a video of you moving. You're going to move and position the shapes that I tell you. So let's cut this and get this ready. And when they're all cut, keep the red with the red, the blue with the blue, and then we will begin. I'll explain it now in Spanish for our Spanish-speaking parents. Para la siguiente actividad, se va a pedir que ustedes, padres, ayuden a los alumnos. Ellos y ustedes pueden cortar estas figuras. Que las rojas se queden con las rojas, azul con azul. Yo voy a decir en unos momentos, ya que esté todo esto cortado, pueden poner play al video de nuevo. Y yo voy a decirles qué hacer a los estudiantes con las figuras. Yo les pido que ustedes tomen video de los estudiantes haciendo lo que yo digo. Es una forma de un examen. So this is a form of a quiz that I will say something from the video, and you as a parent are recording them moving the shapes around. If you feel they need more practice with this activity, which was a review, then they can practice before you record them. Este video será entregado hoy como la tarea. Es un examen. So this quiz will be turned in as an assignment for today on Class Dojo. So please have these cut and ready to go. Favor de tener estos cortados y listos. You'll also need this handout y también tener esto para que ellos puedan poner sobre esto las figuras. On this, they will put the shapes on top as I give them the quiz. So take your time, and then when you're ready, you can push play to record the quiz. Cuando estén listos, pueden tener todo esto y su cámara de teléfono lista para grabar a su hijo haciendo el quiz conmigo.